Hey everyone, it's your name here. So you want to make money in crypto? Well, listen up. Today we're diving headfirst into the wild world of altcoins. We're talking about those digital gems with the potential to absolutely explode in value. That's why I have handpicked 5 altcoins that are absolutely worth keeping on your radar this October. We're going to break down exactly why these coins have so much potential, from their underlying technology to the real-world problems they're solving. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to discover your next big crypto investment. Let's get started. First up, we have Layer 0. And let me tell you, this is one of those projects that gets me really excited. Imagine a world where different blockchains can seamlessly talk to each other, like different countries suddenly speaking the same language. That's what Layer 0 is aiming to do, and it's a game changer. It's all about interoperability, connecting different blockchains for smooth and secure cross-chain transactions. You can move your assets and data freely between different chains. When you see a project like Layer 0 tackling blockchain interoperability, it could become the backbone of the crypto future. All right, moving on to another powerhouse in the crypto space, Avalanche, AVAX. If you're big on speed and efficiency, you're going to love this one. Avalanche is all about high performance with lightning fast transactions. We're talking about a platform that can handle up to 4,500 transactions per second. This speed is crucial, especially in the world of decentralized applications. Avalanche eliminates transaction friction, making it a dream for developers and users alike. But it's not just about speed. Avalanche is also incredibly scalable. As more users and applications come on board, Avalanche is built to handle the load without breaking a sweat. With its lightning-fast transactions and low fees, it's become a popular choice for developers building the next generation of decentralized finance applications. Keep an eye on AVAX. This could be a real winner in the long run. Now, let's talk about Polygon Matic, a project that's all about making Ethereum, the king of smart contracts, even better. Ethereum is amazing, but it's been struggling with high gas fees and slow transaction speeds. That's where Polygon comes in. It's a layer 2 scaling solution, which means it sits on top of Ethereum and helps to make it faster, cheaper, and more efficient. By processing transactions off-chain and then settling them in batches on the Ethereum main chain, Polygon drastically reduces transaction fees and speeds up processing times. This is huge for the decentralized finance sector, which relies heavily on Ethereum. Polygon makes DeFi more accessible to everyone, which is essential for its continued growth. And the best part? Polygon is incredibly user-friendly. If you're looking to escape those high Ethereum gas fees and experience the full potential of DeFi, Polygon is the way to go. Keep this one on your watch list. Alright, let's talk about Token, a project that's tapping into one of the most exciting trends in the crypto space, tokenization. Tokenization is all about taking real-world assets like real estate, art, or even stocks and putting them on the blockchain. Imagine being able to invest in a fraction of a Picasso painting or a luxury condo without needing millions of dollars. That's the power of tokenization, and TokenFi is at the forefront of this revolution. As more real-world assets become tokenized, the demand for platforms like TokenFi is only going to explode. TokenFi makes it easier than ever to create, manage, and trade these tokenized assets. Tokenization isn't just about making it easier to invest in cool, so it also has the potential to revolutionize traditional finance. As the tokenization trend continues to gain momentum, a token could become a highly sought-after asset. So if you're looking for a project that's riding the wave of the future, TokenFi is definitely one to watch. Solana, as all, is making waves in the crypto space for its incredible speed and scalability. capable of processing up to 65,000 transactions per second. Faster than Visa, MasterCard, and traditional stock exchanges, and with incredibly low transaction fees. This makes Solana a dream for developers, popular for decentralized applications. It's also incredibly secure using proof of history. Solana's ecosystem is booming with hundreds of projects building on it. Fast, cheap, secure, and thriving. Solana is the way to go. So there you have it, 5 altcoins that are absolutely crushing it and are poised for potentially massive gains in the coming months. But remember, I'm just a guy on YouTube, not a financial advisor. Always do your research, only invest what you can afford to lose, and never let your emotions make decisions for you. The crypto market is a wild ride, but with the right knowledge and a bit of luck, you can set yourself up for some serious success. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more crypto insights, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Check out these videos for more altcoin insights and crypto strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.